All right, baby. One thing I like about these Logitech webcam, they really still powerful like they was back in the day. And that's why I like using them. I really wanted to see if I can do something, say something crazy, you know what I'm saying? But well, it's gonna be a little minute before I still pick this coffee or whatever and do that. But I tell you what, since I'm waiting on that water to actually boil, I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna put two bacon patties out, and I'm gonna some French fries with. I know it's kind of pretty. I'm gonna try that with some classic ranch dressing. I'm gonna see how that actually tastes. Should I put a veggie patty in there for myself? I'm trying to think. Do I want to? Maybe I can just eat the let's see here, French fries a little bit later on. Hold on, wait a minute. Let's see here. Oh, we get it. Get it. If I might go outside. It's extra crispy fast food fries, French fries, potatoes. I like the one. I do like the kind of crispy ones, you know. So, if they small, I want them kind of. Well, they might still might be good. You know what I'm saying? They still might be good. I might just go ahead and just put two of them. Ain't no sense in lingering like that. That's a bit okay. Well, there's no sense. I'll show you everything. You know, show. Everybody buying those. I hate when look like the screen look like it paused or something like what you call that? It looked like no, I hate when the screen it seemed like the screen freeze. Y'all didn't see it, but maybe you might see it in the vlog after I do like the playback. Man, put this dressing back on. It's get cold. I mean warm. Yeah, I'll stick at that. And then last but not least, I don't I might try me. That's right. Some Dr. Pepper or something. So the video is entitled, okay, I'm cooking some extra crispy fast food French fries with some veggie patties and classic ranch dressing. Some extra crispy fast food fries and classic ranch dressing. That's the name of it. Okay. Extra crispy fast food fries. Fast food fries and ve- uh and veggie patties and classic ranch dressing. Yes, that's it. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and dash this to the stove. Let me do it like that. So no oils or nothing won't go on it or in you know what I'm saying? While this water is boiling. So that we got that out the way. Oh, I can't pause this shit. Now the other one, I like the idea that you can go and pause the other one. Be back. Let me go get my shoes, man. Rest of the water I got there for that like coffee water, I'm gonna take some of it as well and pour it up in a bucket, put some soap and stuff in it, and keep the floor clean. You know, wipe open the floor clean. Although there's nothing wrong with it at all, but it's just just to keep it a fresh smell in here. You know what I'm saying? So I like cleaning this and stuff. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all get it. Just go ahead on and put on some shoes a little early. Get myself going for the day. I got up a little earlier this morning around about it was a little after 6, but I laid back down and I got and slept about seven something. I said, well, I think I'll wake up around about 8:30. No, 7:30. That's when I really wanted to get up. But I still ended up kind of sleeping until like a little after 9 because I worked hard last night before I went to bed. I was washing dishes and so on and so on. This thing finna go dark, y'all. Yep, it went dark. Y'all can't see it, but I can. I hit that when it happened, but that's all right. Leave on. Let me sweep this up here, so I like to keep up. Oh, Finna go outside with this now. When I raise this thing, it's probably going to be froze. Probably. No, okay, it's still right. I'm not froze because no, I would have been froze. I'm really surprised I'm not. Okay, I give you a point because normally it'd have been froze up on me. The weather looks nice. It's we'll have a lot of sunshine today. About time. We didn't have no damn sunshine the last couple of days. Mm-mm. No, we ain't had no sunshine within a couple of days. Is they got any balls? I'm trying to. Yeah, they do. They have some balls outside. I should have. I forgot to go get that thing. I might do it on the next video if it's still out there. Hopefully it dry up, man. Hopefully the weather stay do this for a couple of days. I know it's not gonna last. You see what I'm saying? But hopefully we have at least a couple of days of good sunshine, man. We don't get this every day. Like yesterday, man, it was so cloudy. So I think they did say it that the rain and stuff was going to like clear out and stuff, and it was going. You know what I'm saying? But I wasn't expecting to wake up and see the sun out. You know what I'm saying? Which is a good thing. So I'll probably do the video like on the next round, go out there and shoot some hoops or something. So I'm gonna stop it right here.